Hi, this is John Burek of PC Mag. I'm here at MSI at CES, and we're taking a look at a really cool desktop here. This is the MSI Vision X AI Second. This is a model that we saw at Computex in the middle of 2024 as a prototype, and now it's a real PC. Let's take a look at it. So what's the thing that catches your eye most about the Vision X AI? It's obviously this panel on the front of the case. this is a full HD, vertically oriented touch panel that could be used for a whole variety of things. You could use it as a straight-up second monitor. You can use it to control app shortcuts and other aspects of system. You could also put hardware info on it. You can switch around to the different menus and customize it as you see fit. And you'll have those controls at your fingertips at the front of the case. So there's a whole lot going on inside this case beyond the touchscreen, or I should say there's not a lot going on inside the case because you can't see any cables there. MSI uses a proprietary motherboard here. It's based on their Project Zero ecosystem, although it's not strictly a Project Zero motherboard. It's hiding all of the connectors for cables on the backside of the motherboard, so it keeps the inside of the case looking really clean. As for the components inside this unit, this is based on Intel's Arrow Lake 200S desktop chips. This is specifically a 285K top-of-the-line Ultra 9. Everything else in there is kind of what you would expect from a high-end PC, liquid-cooled M2 SSDs with support for multiple M2 SSDs inside, open slots, supports Wi-Fi 7 and 5G LAN. The rest of the case has some pretty cool highlights on the top here. As you can see, there's a little ledge with some RGB running down the length of the case. We've obviously got the touch panel here that we discussed before, and a sort of a glassy looking panel here that looks like it's ventilation, but is actually backed by some either shiny plastic or glass. So the Vision X AI Second is going to be hitting in Q2 of 2025. It's going to be a high-end system. It's going to depend on the configuration, what it costs, but $4,000 to $5,000 is what you're looking at for a fully kitted out version of this. But given the way it looks and with this cool, unique touch panel on the front of it, it's going to be hard to find anything like it in the market that's comparable. So stay tuned to PC Mag. We hope to get a sample of this in to test sometime during 2025 and take it through its paces. Thanks for watching.